Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car airbed on Amazon. Your car camping adventures are unexpected or pre-planned. You need a comfortable place to spread out and sleep when night falls. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Thermarest Montaking 3D Self-Inflating Camping Sleeping Pad. If you're looking for the cushioning of an air mattress combined with the support of a foam pad, the Thermarest Montaking 3D Self-Inflating Camping Sleeping Pad is a great pick. While it isn't actually self-inflating, it does combine inflation with a supportive foam core for all-around comfort. Thicker than other car airbeds, this product stands 4.5 inches high when fully inflated, and its twin-lock valve keeps air in while preventing slow leaks. It's sized to fit inside most vehicles, but it's also long enough to offer enough sleeping space for those taller than 6 feet. This pad can be paired with a second from Montaking to offer extra cushioning and support, especially on rocky terrain. What we like about it: extra thick for increased comfort, stretch knit exterior fabric layer, 2 inflation valves, compressible foam core adds support. What we don't like about it: including a pump bag is a hassle. Number 2. Teton Sports Comfort Light Sleeping Pad. Don't want to fuss with pumps or your own breath to get your car sleeping spot set up? The Teton Sports Comfort Light Sleeping Pad will satisfy your needs. This easy-to-use, low-effort option creates a cushioned bed without a pump. It'll inflate all on its own in a matter of minutes. Just open the rapid inflation valve, and you can watch it get to work. Constructed out of solidly durable material with the bonus of a microfiber top for comfy sleep, this car airbed is easy to use and can be set up inside your car, in a tent, or anywhere else you need its support. It's constructed with large side air chambers to prevent you from rolling around, and if you want to add a second for another sleeper, the built-in Velcro side strips make it easy. What we like about it: no pump required to inflate. Large side air chambers prevent rolling. Rapid inflation valves fill in minutes. Can be configured with additional pads for 2 sleepers. What we don't like about it: hard to repack. Somewhat heavy. Number 3. Nemo Roamer Sleeping Pad. The Nemo Roamer Sleeping Pad is a car airbed, but it's also a sleeping surface you're going to want to use everywhere you camp. Featuring an award-winning design, this bed can hold 2 sleepers and provide a luxurious, comfortable, and supportive place to rest. Constructed with soft, stretchy fabric on top, it offers a thick cushion against your car's hard cargo space or the ground. It's self-inflating, meaning you don't have to worry about carrying a pump, and the flow core construction with high-volume air channels keeps you stable while you sleep. It's also warming, which means you can stay warm inside your car even in temperatures as low as -30 degrees. Plus, the addition of a multifunction micro-adjust valve lets you control how soft or firm you'd like your car airbed to be once it's fully inflated. What we like about it: flow core construction with high-volume air channels, micro-adjust valve to change firmness, 50D stretch fabric, keeps warm in temperatures as low as -30 degrees. What we don't like about it: expensive. Number 4. Climate Static V Sleeping Pad. The Climate Static V Sleeping Pad is a more affordable option than many other car airbeds. It also offers a wealth of value with rugged, durable construction, supportive cushioning, and simple inflation that doesn't require electricity or a pump. This outdoor-ready pad weighs 18.7 ounces, and you can inflate it in minutes with your own breath. What we like about it: body mapping supportive air chambers. Conforms to your shape during sleep. Lightweight and ultra-compact when packed. Limits air movement for increased stability. What we don't like about it: thin. Number 5. Rightline Gear Truck Bed Air Mattress. Truck owners hoping to convert an empty bed into one suitable for sleeping will like the design and durability of the Rightline Gear Truck Bed Air Mattress. Built in 2 sizes, with heavy-duty PVC material and internal O-beam support for your body weight, this airbed is meant to slip right between your wheel wells and provide a cushioned spot to rest. What we like about it: made from heavy-duty PVC. O-beam support for level sleeping. Accommodates wheel well placement. Leaves room for in-bed gear storage. What we don't like about it. Shaped for trucks only. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.